Hi and welcome to our first. Hi and welcome to Cooking with the Homegirls. Today we are going to do a recipe from our special cookbook that's called Classic Tomato Soup with Grilled Cheese Croutons. It's going to be really yummy, so stay tuned and watch.
A couple tips. Over 40 rule, I would say to always have your hair pinned up. And I would always say to have your favorite beverage in hand when you are cooking. Over 50 rule is make sure you always have your reading glasses.
Okay, so the first step is in a large pot under medium heat, we're going to add olive oil and onions or ghee, and then saute the onions until wilted, and then add the garlic and cook for 1 minute longer. So here we go. Stir in the crushed tomatoes, dry basil, crushed peppers, red pepper flakes, vegetable broth, and sugar. And then we're going to bring to a slow boil and then turn the heat down to a simmer and cook for an additional 15 minutes.
So while your soup is simmering for about 15 minutes, we are going to start on the cheesy croutons.
Grilled cheese croutons.
Sorry, grilled cheese croutons.
So while our soup is cooking, what we're going to do next is prepare for the grilled cheese croutons. Yum yum. What Stacy's going to do...
Wait. This is Mary's homemade bread.
Oh my gosh.
You have to special order that if you're interested.
Mary Magnus. Okay, come on. Amazing. You want to butter each side and put them butter side down. We're going to put the cheese in the middle.
It's going to be better if you use more butter.
Lots of butter. The directions are the broiler on toast. You want to flip the sandwiches.
We don't have toast on this broiler though.
We're going to broil it. We're going to eyeball it. All right.
So we are going to take the toast out, nice and crisp, and we're going to flip it. No, it's good. Then we're going to put it back in.
Probably only a couple minutes.
Okay,
This is
so
what you don't want to do.
don't use your broiler on high because this is what really happens in cooking shows, okay? This is the behind the scenes you don't see. So we're going to take two.
We're going to take two. We'll be back. The next step, we're going to put the grilled cheese sandwiches on the board here. We're going to cut them up into small little crouton-sized squares. So that's what
We would probably suggest though, just doing your grilled cheese on a pan. The broiler is a little finicky, so if you know how to make a grilled cheese, that's all we're doing is making grilled cheese sandwiches.
I do it on a grill on the stove.
So our soup has been simmering for about 15 minutes, and the next over 40 rule is to always have a immersion blender on hand for your cooking. This particular one is beautiful and may hurt someone.
Seaweed caution.
All right, so now the final taste test. We're gonna try a crouton in soup and let you know honestly if it's good. Honestly, it's actually really good. It's a little oniony, but that's the recipe, but it's pretty delicious. And if you have any food allergies, you know there's always ways you can substitute. I made some cornbread croutons that were gluten-free that I'll use on top of mine.
If you'd like a copy of our recipe book, please message us. A copy of the video will be put on our website.
Here's a copy of the book that we'd be happy to send to you. Just message us below. Please share our Facebook page and Instagram pages and Twitter. And please, we aren't only great cooks, we are great realtors. So if you have any questions that have to do with cooking, real estate, family, just always know we're here for you. Have a great day.
Thank you from the kwHOMEgirls, where we bring you home. Bye.